Hey guys, today we are at SM because was the English of pupunta kami sa Enyo kasi may tour doon and I'm with Fabik. Nihintay na lang namin si Jacob guys and yeah, see you later, bye bye.
Isip nyo pag naranasan nyo yung mga ginagawa ng mga EBM students. We prepared a glimpses of what EBM students here in NU Dasmariñas are currently doing.
So guys, we are here at the NU Bulldogs CR and so habang nandun kami sa sa room and the view may games doon, tapos nanalo ako ng notebook. Kami wala. Family Feud. Sila wala kasi mga shy type sila eh. Ano kayo naman pa? Chicken.
Lahat sila. Lahat na pumasok kailangan mag-try.
Pwede lumaban. Pwede po lumaban. Pwede po lumaban. We are now at the hallway of NU. The hallway of NU guys. Where we find
Sa Ed Sheeran GC yung hallway.
Defense po. So for Capstone, we are doing a product po na we can, a very innovative product na we can publish po internationally since our school is recognized internationally. Nagpapasa po tayo ng research sa other foreign publishers po. So may mga other laboratories po tayo. Kanina yung pinuntahan natin sa STEM, which is the physics laboratory. And these are the bathrooms po for the men and women. And again, kung saan tayo galing kanina, our elevator po. Also with the hydraulic laboratory and so on.
maximum 3 persons lang dali.
Mention, meron pong isang exit ang ating library. So, kung pwede nyo pong silipin, makikita nyo yung isa pong side ng library natin. Mainly, that side is for the college department naman po. But you're also free to use it. So, if you are taking senior high school here, mag-take... So, this is our school gymnasium po. Bale, dito ginagawa yung training just like this. This is our men's volleyball team po. We have a women's volleyball team, men's basketball team, and women's basketball team. Available din po sa mainly senior high. So, most of our classes are taken here, and during our university week and our senior high school days or our sports fest po, dito din siya minili natin na. Or pag may big event, like concert, or like pageant, dito din po siya ginaganap sa atin. So our guidance po is mainly for the peers, from any DASMA peers, and the service po of the guidance is for student referral, or if you guys have any problems that you want to talk about, sa guidance po tayo lalapit. And dito naman po sa side na to, if makikita nyo, dyan po ang ating NSPC office. And the rest po is classrooms na lang and our lockers po. Follow po. So register if you guys have requirements na kailangan i-request, especially for transfer, hindi po natin yung hingin. So if you go and decide on the campus, makikita po natin yung locker. Papakita ko po sa inyo on ano po ang kailangan nyo ilagay or ano yung mas preferred. Sabi kayo lumabas dito po sa kanila para makita nyo yung loob.
NU Bulldogs.
So, your free class po. Any questions po? Okay, so, guess ko lang naman po, nag-enjoy po ba lahat sa pinipare po namin? Nag-enjoy po ba?
Opo. Nag-enjoy ka ba, Fabi?
So, thank you so much po.
You go, dog.
Eddie po. So, our National University is very active po when it comes to their club. And you are free to go na po if you guys wish to go upstairs po for taking pictures with us or trying all of our booths. You're free to go upstairs po to take the elevator. But, regardless po, pwede na po kayong mag-go. And ingat po. Thank you so much po.
Let's go eat lunch, guys. We're going to eat lunch.
Bonchon.
Okay. Saan mo gusto kumain ba?
Bonchon!
Okay, let's go.
Iba ka ano yan?
So guys,
Hindi lang.
change of plan. Hindi na kami sa Bonchon kakain. Sa Choksugo na.
Mas mura.
Tsaka mas busog. And we're not that rich. So we're just gonna go, choose to go. Ano yung order natin? Sweet roast, tatlo. Tapos tatlong lemonade.
This is my
Price?
new collection. Price.
Pakita natin yung mga price natin.
Mga best lang.
Wait lang. So guys, ito yung mga napalalunan namin. Ito, cup. Kay Fabic yan, pero nagpalit kami kasi pop notebook yung sa akin. Tapos yung mga sticker, pins, yan, sticker. Di ka ba nung napalalunan mo?
Fun. And new.
Yan.
Ito, best ko.
Yan, pinakalabas na yung bola.
Ito, ball. Kasi na-battlefield ko yung bola. Ito.
Sticker.
Speaker. ABM.
ABM na
Tiga na.
Pin.
Sir.
Pag kami meron ng tumbler tsaka ano.
Pakita mo yung notebook. Pakita mo.
Ano yung notebook?
Nandyan, sa bag mo.
Ay. Po.
Hindi ko target ko. Yan yung notebook. Pakita mo yung loob. Yan. That's so pretty. Tapos,
Yun lang.
yun lang, pati yung kamay pa rin. Halos pares lang kami. Halos lahat dito.
Sabi to.
Yan. So, iniintay lang namin yung order namin. Gutom na kami. Ay, na ata. Ewan ko. Joke lang. Hindi pala. Bye-bye. Guys, the food is here. And Jacob is eating. And
The hungry one.
Look at that. He's eating it. And this is mine. So, we're gonna eat, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, guys. We're done eating. That's my plate. That's Jacob's plate. Oo nga eh.
Ako talaga 10 out of 10.
Badges for Fabi. Plate. I had 3 rice. How many rice did you have? Had 2. How about you?
Ha?
How many rice did you have?
1.5.
He is a food waster.
Oh my God.